Hello kids, today we will learn about pronouns. Pronouns are special words that replace nouns so that we don't have to repeat names again and again. Pronoun को उर्दू में इसमें ज़मीर कहते हैं. Pronouns यानी ज़माइर. What are pronouns? इसमें ज़मीर क्या है? Imagine you are talking about Ali. Ali is my best friend. Ali loves football. Ali goes to school every day. So instead of saying Ali again and again, we can use he. For example, Ali is my friend. He loves football. He goes to school every day. Did you see that we use he instead of saying Ali again and again? So he is a pronoun because it replaces the noun Ali. इसी तरह हम बार बार नाम लेने के बजाय pronouns या ज़माइर का इस्तेमाल करते हैं.